begins to break upon the quiet shore. Golden waves wash soft against the sand. Through all the years we've walked and all that went before, I find my steady home right in your hand. Footprints slowly fade beneath the tide. The gentle swells keep rolling endlessly. Every single season brought us side by side. Now all the world is calm between you and me. Slowly, step by step, we walk into the light. As the morning sun begins to warm the sea, with every gentle breeze that blows through silver hair, all the noise of life dissolves and leaves us free. In the warmth of every quiet breath we share, this timeless golden moment is all we'll ever need. Seagulls softly glide across the endless sky. Time just holds its breath to let us stay. Every gentle smile and look that passes by will carry us beyond the break of day. Slowly, step by step, we walk into the light. As the morning sun begins to warm the sea, with every gentle breeze that blows through silver hair, all the noise of life dissolves and leaves us free. In the warmth of every quiet breath we share, this timeless golden moment is all we'll ever need. Hand in hand along the ocean sway, in the golden light we walk our peaceful